What's up guys? In this video, I would like to tell you all the different lessons I acquired in our subject Mathematics 10. Measures of central tendency. There are three main measures of central tendency: the mode, the median, and the mean. Each of these measures describe a different indication of the typical or central value in the distribution. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationship between side lengths and angles of triangles. The field emerged in the Hellenistic world during the 3rd century BC from application of geometry through astronomical studies. Geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence where the ratio r between successive terms is constant. The general term of a geometric sequence can be written in terms of its first term a1, common ratio r, and index n as follows: an equals a1rn minus 1. A geometric series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. Counting theory. The theory of counting or enumeration is the theoretical counterpart of everyday practical counting. Venn diagrams are used to describe events and in counting the number of outcomes in unions and intersection of events. The principle of inclusion and exclusion is introduced. Composition of functions. In this lesson, I will go over 8 work example to illustrate the process involved in function composition. If we are given two functions, it is possible to create or generate a new function by composing one into the other. The step involved is similar when a function is being evaluated for a given value. Pattern and sequence. Patterns refer to usual type of procedures or rules that can be followed. Patterns are useful to predict what came before or what might come after a set numbers that are arranged in particular order. This arrangement of numbers is called sequence. In mathematics, a sequence is an enumerated collection of objects in which repetitions are allowed and other matters. Like a set, it contains members, also called elements or terms. The number of elements, possibly infinite, is called the length of the sequence. Polynomial. A polynomial is defined as an expression which is composed of variables, constant, and exponents that are combined using the mathematical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. No division operation by a variable. Polynomials are sum of terms of the form k times xn, where k is any number and n is positive integer. For example, 3x plus 2x minus 5 is a polynomial. Introduction to polynomials. Arithmetic patterns and sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers with a definite patterns. If you take any number in the sequence, then subtract it by the previous one, and the result is always the same or constant, then it is an arithmetic sequence. The constant different in all pairs of consecutive and successive numbers in a sequence is called the common difference, denoted by the letter D. We use the common difference to go from one term to another. Take the current term and add the common difference to get to the next term, and so on. That is how the terms in the sequence are generated.